A very good morning to one and all. Myself, Professor Smita Konda, welcome you all for the valedictory function for today. So we have, let me introduce our guest for today. So I welcome Dr. Narendra Katikar sir, who is the speaker for today's valedictory function. Let me give a short introduction about our today's guest. Dr. Narendra Katikar sir, who has completed his teaching. He has experience of 23 years in teaching, industrial 1 year experience. He has completed BE in production engineering, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. He has completed his ME in production engineering, Government College of Engineering, Pune University. He has also completed PhD in mechanical engineering, Solapur University, in knowledge management. And he has done his MBA, Human Resource Specialization, from IGNOU, New Delhi. He is a gold medal, also secured gold medal in a postgraduate diploma in corporation management from IGNOU, New Delhi. And he has a postgraduate diploma in piping design and engineering from MIT Pune. Mass communication and journalism in English language from IGNOU, New Delhi. And he's completed BA from journalism Marathi language, YCMOU. And independent director, Smart City, Solapur City Development Corporation Limited, Solapur. And is a National Executive Council member, governing body member of ISTE, New Delhi, representing Maharashtra and Goa. So this is the introduction of the today's guest for this session. Okay, thank you. Welcome you, sir. Now I request, our principal, Dr. S.A. Patil, sir, to address this valedictory function.
Okay, good afternoon all. Am I audible?
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, you are audible.
Today, list for this valedictory function of this last 6-day development program on Internet of Things. Dr. Narendra Katikar, sir, I welcome you on this valedictory function.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. So since last 6 days, so actually, first of all, I would like to thank IST for sanctioning this program. So this program will be run in 3 phases. Okay, so I first thank the IST and AICT for sanctioning this for our institute. Since last 6 days, many of the faculties they have gathered a lot of knowledge out of this. Okay, the research person for this FDP was Mr. Amit Ambikar. He's from industry and the latest in Internet of Things he has shared with all the faculty members. The purpose of this faculty development program was to share the latest knowledge in Internet of Things from industry to all faculties so that those faculties can in turn share this knowledge with all their students. So those faculties, I am sure that they might have learned a lot about this Internet of Things, and I am sure that they will again add from their experience, they will add to this knowledge in many times, and they will pass on this message or this knowledge to their students, so that it will help the India to become self-reliant or Atmanirbhar. So that was the purpose of this faculty development program, and AICT and IST is spending huge amount of money to train the faculties first. So if the faculties are trained and those faculties will definitely share this knowledge with their students, and finally it will reach to the place where it is required. So that was the purpose of this program. So this is the first in this 3-phase program. So another 2 such programs will be arranged. So I'm sure that all the faculties will get a lot of knowledge, information, latest in the Internet of Things. So this IoT is not only related to only computer or electronics. It is there in all fields, including mechanical as well as civil or any other field. So I think that all the faculties from all branches might have attended this. So I again wish that all the faculties they will transfer this knowledge to their students, and the purpose of this FDP will be served. So I wish IST, I thank IST as well as the AICT for giving us opportunity to arrange this, and our IST team has very successfully arranged this and managed this. So I congratulate all of them. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for sharing your views. Now I would like to request our Vice Principal, Dr. Vivi Poddar, sir, to share his views.
Thank you, madam. Hope I am audible and visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, clear, sir.
A very good afternoon to one and all. Dignitaries present for this valedictory function. A very good friend of mine and our chief guest, Dr. Katikar, sir. Welcome, sir. He is IST representative for Maharashtra and Goa. He's already been introduced and he's very active on all the fronts. So welcome, sir. Our campus director, Chaugule, sir, principal, sir, HODs of various departments, faculty members, and dear participant friends. So on behalf of A.G. Patil Institute of Technology, I welcome you all for this valedictory function. Friends, I feel very privileged to be part of this course on Internet of Things, sponsored by AICT, IST, and conducted by Computer Engineering Department of AGPIT. I was very much benefited because I went through some of the sessions, wonderful sessions were arranged, very informative. As we have all seen, we had overall 18 sessions. Just to give you a brief overview of the sessions conducted, starting with Arduino Development Board studies. There were interfacing of sensor sessions, then IoT application session, then IoT cloud services session, IoT security session, cellular IoT session, and finally, how to deploy IoT applications. So it covered the entire spectrum of IoT applications, and they started off with industrial applications and they went through healthcare applications. So all those sessions were wonderful. And apart from that, 4 sessions of assignments are also conducted just to keep the participants engaged and to verify whether they have understood the concepts of IoT or not. So it was really a fulfilling experience, as most of the sessions were hands-on and practically significant. I hope this refresher course will definitely add value to our knowledge in the field of IoT. For this, I must thank Mr. Amit Tambe, Director of Softtech Data Security Services, Pune, and Professor Ravindra Rathod from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere, for conducting these sessions very enthusiastically. I also thank Mr. Raghuraj Chavan of Art of Living for conducting a session on stress management and yoga. On this occasion, I would like to congratulate the entire organizing team of this refresher course, starting with coordinator Professor S.V. Kulkarni sir, IST coordinator Dr. Vedula madam, and faculty coordinators Professor Vitesh Gaikwad, Professor Smita Konda, Professor Aarti Varsan, and they were assisted by Mr. Kundur and Mr. Kasar. So I thank all the participants for their active participation. I wish you all the best. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now I would like to request our today's guest for this function, Dr. Narendra Katikar sir, to share his views.
Good evening to all of you. Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So first of all, congratulate to all the team leaders, right from the Patil sir, Poddar sir, the course coordinator, the IST chapter coordinator, and all the faculties who had successfully completed this course. On the AICT mentioned the thrust areas, and out of that thrust areas, the IoT is one of them. So first of all, congratulations to the whole unit on the behalf of IST New Delhi. It is the change scenario now we are facing over here due to the pandemic situation, that everywhere and everything is right now on the through online mode. So, but as a faculty, as a being academician, everyone has to upgrade themselves for the particular upgradation of the knowledge, not from the conventional subject point of view, but from advanced subject point of view, rather thrust areas defined by the ICT. Let me brief about the IST. As you are aware already so many times through the means of the such kind of conduction of the courses. The Indian Society for Technical Education is one of the largest society, so for which particularly almost 3 lakh plus faculty members are the members throughout the particular India. Now, as far as the technology upgradation is concerned, through the means of student chapter, faculty chapter, conventions, workshop, STTP, faculty development program, some kind of MOUs, the IST in association with DT, MSDT, and our apex body, that is the ICT, conducting such kind of events. So since last so many years, actually the ICT and IST sponsored STPP were stuck up. But a few years back, our team leader, Dr. Pratap Singh Desai and his teammates, so whole we, the particularly council members, tried the same, and we have got the particularly funding from the EICT as such. Right now, everyone might be knowing that the Nai Shiksha Niti, the new education policy is implemented or in a phase of implementation, which is announced by central government through the means of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Bhai Modi. The thing behind the same that particularly credit-based system is going to be implemented over there. That means for the maybe electronics engineer or mechanical engineer want to learn the Sanskrit or some kind of music, and he or she want to get some kind of blending technology innovation kind of thing through the means of the same. It was earlier possible only with the means of mini project or project, but that is not the case in a due course of time. So maybe in a couple of years, such kind of credit system across the boundary, across the faculty, across the branches may be possible. So this is one of the fruitful things which was occurred due to the Nai Shiksha Niti, new education policy, which is going to be implemented over here. So coming to your course, sir, it's very fantastic to know that IoT, already we know that Solapur is being a smart over here, smart city. So as the city is going to become a smart, so everybody, every person or academician has to be smart from the technology point of view. So the product or application of IoT, I suppose that your expertise might have shared regarding that right from our, let us take just domestic or funny examples, right from smart shoes to smart clothes to smart goggles, smart watches. So everything is going to become a smart and it needs IoT. More in a technical sense, I think your expertise might have shared the thorough knowledge for the same. And in this such pandemic area, tenure, so I think it's called to be a tenure because we don't know that how much tenure period is there because in this month, it is unfortunately we have to celebrate a 1 year of lockdown rather. So hope that in a couple of months it will be straight back to our regular routine work. So once again, that very much interesting topic you have taken. Everywhere, no doubt, the IoT, machine learning, and such kind of concepts are taken for such STTPs. But through this online mode, one advantage is that the particularly expertise from remote locations can be made available for our particular participants. So it is being very happy to be a part of this valedictory function, being a member of IST New Delhi Council. And once again, I hope and extended my warm wishes to you. Let us continue our tie-up with the means of IST along with the AG party and with the participants in due course of time with a different kind of courses and STTP, FDPs and programs. So thank you for inviting me and giving me a chance to represent the IST New Delhi Council. So thank you in all and have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for your words. Now I would like to request any of our participants to please share your views. Any of the participants who want to share something, please you can unmute and share it.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Myself, Manisha Dhage from Sinhagar Institutes. Actually, it was very good sessions. It was very good information they have delivered about Internet of Things, and we have enjoyed hands-on sessions also. So overall, it was good experience, and we have learned a lot from this. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Any other participant would like to share? Is anybody ready to share or shall we move further? Anybody want to share your views? Okay. So I request, yes. I request our HOD of Computer Department and Coordinator of FDP, Professor S.V. Kulkarni sir, to deliver vote of thanks.
Thank you, madam. Good evening to all. Today's chief guest, all participants, and my dear friends. I, Professor Shripad Kulkarni, HOD Computer Engineering Department and FDP Coordinator. It's my privilege to present vote of thanks for 1 week faculty development program sponsored by AICTE and ISTE, organized by Computer Engineering Department, AGPIT Solapur. So my sincere thanks to Colonel B. Venkat sir, Director Faculty Development Cell, AICTE, and Professor Vijay Vaidya sir, Executive Secretary, ISTE. I would like to thank Honorable Shri A.G. Patil sir, President of this college, and Honorable Secretary sir, Shri S.A. Patil sir, who always support us for conducting such type of events. So my special thanks to Mr. Amit Ambe sir, Director Softech Data Security, Pune, and Professor Ravindra Rathod sir, Assistant Professor, DIVA to Venere. Really very informative and wonderful sessions has delivered in previous 6 days. Also thanks to Shri Raghuraj Chavan sir has given in a very simple way on how to reduce your fast in daily routine. I would like to thank Dr. M. H. Ogule sir, Campus Director, AGPIT Institutes, and Dr. S. A. Patil sir, Principal of this college, and Dr. V. V. Poddar sir, Vice Principal of this college, and Dr. Vidula ma'am, ISTE Coordinator, and Dr. R. V. Darekar sir, Co-Coordinator, HOD, ENTC Department. I would like to thank Dr. S. B. Gadwar, Academics and HOD Mechanical, Professor T. D. Maslekar ma'am, HOD Civil Department, Professor R. B. Kulkarni ma'am, HOD General Science Department, and all teaching and technical support team and non-teaching staff. So my very special thanks to our Computer Engineering Department pillars, Professor V. D. Gaikwad sir, Professor Smita Konda ma'am, Professor Aarti Valsang ma'am, and Professor Shankari Gazul ma'am, and our technical team, Mr. Kundur and Mr. Kasa sir, and supporting team also. Last but not least, all the participants who, without you, it is not possible to complete this FDP. I would like to thanks to those who directly and indirectly support us to execute this 1 week FDP. Thank you once again, and happy learning for all the participants for 1 week faculty development program. And lastly, I announce at sharp 5 p.m. we'll share final assignment link and feedback link separately. Please submit both Google Forms today itself. Also will share participation certificate on your mail ID. FDP study material will be available on AGPIT e-learning YouTube channel. So with prior permission of dignitaries, I declare today's FDP validatory function is over, as well as our FDP is also over. Thank you once again, one and all. Happy learning.
Thank you, sir.